What's going on, guys? Apollo back for another video. Today is the giveaway video for 500 subs. So thank you guys for all that. I have a couple giveaways, a couple giveaway cards. We're gonna do a break. We got a couple Ant and Lamelo's class. We got a draft picks, just regular prism, and then we're gonna be breaking into this obsidian box. So. But first, first the three cards we're going to be giving away. I have a Joel Embiid Road to the Finals out of 2021. Somebody's going to be winning this. We got a Garrett Wilson rated rookie. And then for Pokemon fans, we got a Pikachu VMAX. Pretty solid. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, just like and then comment down below which one you guys would like if you win. So yeah, so that's for the giveaway, and then we're gonna get into the break. So I'm gonna switch this around and then we can get going. All right, guys, we're back. So as you can see, this is the box that we're gonna be getting into last. And then we got a draft picks and a prism. So we could pull a downtown out of here. I'm not actually entirely sure what we can pull out of this one. Let's just start with the draft picks. Go to this last. We're just gonna rip into it. Starting off the video, we got Tyrese Maxey. Oh, we got an Ant. And we got a LaMelo Global Prospects. We got Ramsey, Okoro, Precious Green. We got Killian Green, Kyra Lewis, Stanley, Dotson, Najee, and then we got OB on the Crusade. We'll open this red, white, blue first. Hopefully we get another Ant. We got Killian, Patrick Williams, and Jamias Ramsey. So we didn't get a second Ant, but there is a chance out of here we could get a silver prism. And then we do have the bonus. Let me see. Red, white, and blue. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do this first. These are actually the cards that we can get. You guys wanna pause it? Get right into it. First, we got Brogdon, Robert Williams, Frank Kaminsky, Matthews. We got Jaren Jackson. Our silver is Jake Layman for the Timberwolves. I don't think he's still there. Aaron Baines, green. Okoro, Carroll, Jamias Ramsey, and a Bobby Portis. So hopefully we pull Ant or LaMelo out of this one. We got Paul George, Wesley Matthews, and we got a rookie for the Rockets, Kenyon Martin Jr. Okay, it's not too bad for those packs. For the Obsidian, we're going to get 2 exclusive parallels. And then if you guys want to pause, I honestly just hope I get like a missed Ant would be sick. Rookie jersey auto. A rookie jersey auto. So if we could get an auto or literally anything Ant out of here, that would be sick. And also, this was just the first giveaway video that we're doing. We're gonna be doing them more consistently. And after I open this, we'll talk about when we will have the drawing. So this is what we're looking at. This is my first time ever opening Obsidian. So, oh, it's just one pack of 6. Set that back there. Here's the pack of 6. I think the last card is the craziest one. So I'm just gonna use Embiid to cover it. Oh, and we got a rookie on top. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we got Kenyon Martin Jr. Oh, that's crazy. Nice Obsidian rookie. Wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. Too bad it's not Ant. The next one we got OG for the Raptors. Wow, are these just the base? Because these are sick. Absolutely sick. Okay. We got Mike Conley, which is actually on the Timberwolves right now. But for the Jazz, that's sick. And then we do have a thicker card right here. Oh! Oh my gosh. We got a Jordan Nwora RPA. Oh my gosh. His signature's alright. Wow, I definitely thought this would be numbered, but what the heck? Oh, that's crazy, dude. So nice. Alright, so the next card we got is a green DeJounte Murray. And that's sick too. What the heck? I'm gonna have to get more of these because this is crazy. I like Obsidian. Wow. And lastly, oh, I think that's Patrick Williams. Patrick Williams for the Bulls. That's not bad either, though. That's sweet, though. So we got a yellow and a green. And then we got this Jordan Nwora auto. That's a sweet patch, too. It's a sick patch. Wow. All right. Even the base cards aren't disappointing. Mike Conley, OG, Kenyon Martin. All still sick. Have you guys opened any of these? Let me know down below. The exclusive parallels must be the yellow and the green. I definitely really want to pull an Ant, though. So we'll have to get more of these. What do you guys think? That was pretty wild. So, all right. For the giveaway, we are going to be drawing this. Let me see. So we're going to be doing the drawing for this next Friday. I think it'll be May the 5th. So it'll give us time for you guys to comment down below which one you guys want the most, which ones you guys would like, and then tell your friends, see if they can get a shot at this, at one of these. I really do like this Embiid against the Wizards, And they're doing really hot right now in the playoffs. I feel like he is promising, somewhat promising. And then we got Pikachu VMAX. So, gotta love Pikachu. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Definitely drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.